All right, welcome to everybody over at the Innovative Pest Management Corporation. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can increase your online traffic. All right, I'm going to talk about content, I'm going to talk about citations, and I'm going to talk about backlinks today. All right, so stick with me for this. Should be less than a 10-minute video. Okay, we're going to talk about those 3 things. First off, I'm going to start with content. All right, content has anything to do with anything that's on your website, even what pictures are saved as. So, I'm going through your website. It's not a bad looking website. Whoever did it it's not bad. All right. Save as. So if I save this picture, it should have your business name in it. There we go. Good. All right. So all photos need to have that because Google's going to go through your website and they're going to start ranking it. All right. And we're going to try and get you to that front page of Google. All right. So enough with that. The second thing today is a citation. So when I looked up your business on Google, this is what popped up. We've got your Google My Business right here all set up, which is awesome. So that brings me to my second point, which is a citation. Now, a citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, so some businesses don't necessarily need an address because they're a service provider. They come to the customer, so that's totally fine. Another thing that I noticed is you have 166 Google reviews. All right, that's good. Keep getting those Google reviews up. The more, the better. All right, and I hope you guys have a lot of photos in here. I'm not going to check those right now, but have a good amount of photos in your Google My Business page. All right, so when I looked up pest control Rochester, New York, we got Google Guaranteeds popping up, and I prefer those over regular Google ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. This is the Google Map Pack. All right, these are the businesses that get most of the calls if they pop up at the beginning here. So you guys, that's good to see you here. Okay, there's a possibility to get a like a phone call logo right here, like a little circle, a phone. Click to call, whatever. I guess people could click the phone number right there, but I think it just clicks the whole business. Yeah. All right, that's fine. I'm going to check this website right here. This is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. This is something that you can do on your own, though. I know business owners are busy, and they'd rather have somebody else do this type of back work for them. All right. So I'm going to go over these numbers real quick. You guys have an 18 out of 100 URL rating, and you guys have a 2.1 domain rating. All right, the URL rating means how much trust that Google has in your business, and the domain rating is how much power that Google brings to your website. Okay, so 39 referring domains are giving you 516 backlinks. What are backlinks? They're pretty much other websites that have ads in them that point directly to your website. Okay, so you want to make sure you have backlinks with websites that say, hey, top 10 best pest control businesses in Rochester or in Western New York, something like that. That's a good backlink. You don't want backlinks on like clothing store websites or anything like that. You guys have 516 live, okay? You guys have had 3.5 thousand in the past, but I can tell these backlinks aren't doing very good because it's keeping the domain rating number very low. All right, there's a correlation between these numbers. I'm going to go over keywords in a moment. You guys are bringing in around 80 people a month checking out your website, and the estimated value of your target's monthly organic search traffic, you guys bring in $600 a month. All right. Organic keywords, we got to check out what you're ranking for. And keywords are super powerful. You see the volume button right here. That's how many people monthly search for each keyword, and we want to make sure you're in the first position for every keyword, as many keywords as we possibly can get. What's a keyword? Anything that anyone searches in Google. So when I typed in pest control Rochester, New York, that's one keyword, okay? Bug exterminator near me, that's good. 3,300 people search for that monthly, you're in the 12th position. Think about what that could do for the business if you were in the first position. That would be awesome. We'd be getting most of those customers, most of those calls. As we go down here, Rochester, New York exterminator, 150 people, you're ranking first. You're ranking first for all these. So think about if we add these numbers up, 100, 100, 200, 350, 500, 750, 9, 10,000. So since we're ranking the first position for most of these, we're getting most of these calls, most of these businesses, or most of these customers, okay? So for something that you're not ranking first for, so the 7th, I don't know why you're not ranking for your own name, but so let's use this as an example, bug exterminator near me. So say we're ranking first position for that. Think about what an extra 3,300, let's say that, 3,300 customers could do for your business. That changes lives right there, okay? So even an extra 250 a month, okay? An extra 250 a month can help businesses tremendously. An extra 500 customers a month for businesses can help them a lot. So that's the power of keywords, all right? So that's like the third point, 3.5 tip, all right? I say I want to cover 3 things with you today. The citations, the content, the backlinks, and then the keywords are just kind of an added tip for you. We're checking out a competitor of yours real quick, Rochester Pest Pro Inc. All right, their website's okay. I don't love it. These are their numbers, so if you can look back at your numbers, they've got quite a bit of higher numbers than you do. All right, Google trusts their website, gives them a little bit more power, but they have a lot of work to do as well. All right, so their backlinks, they might have a lot of bad ones. They're bringing in around $2.5 thousand a month. All right, they're doing points per click, which is like paid advertising. Pay per click, that's what it is. They're putting $5,000 into this stuff, so maybe that's something to look into. They're bringing around 600 people a month to their website. They are ranking for these keywords: Rochester Pest Control Rochester. They're ranking first for those, so we got to steal them from them. For the keywords and for backlinks, we're going to plug them into your website. All right, and what works for them, what works for competitors, are going to work for you. All right, so we'll take a look at what's working for them, and we'll make sure it does work for you. Fox Pest Control here. Their website is better than the last one. It's all right. These are their numbers. All right, so Google gave them a 64 domain rating, which is wild. So they must have pretty good backlinks. All right, that's keeping that number pretty high. They're bringing around $5,000 a month as well. They're bringing around 1,000 people checking out their website monthly. Their keywords, they're ranking first for a few of them. Victor's Pest Control, Exterminator Rochester, New York. But yeah, take all this information under consideration. At the end of the day, you're the hero of the business. I'm just the guy on the other end giving you a couple tips. All right. So take it under consideration again. Let me know if you want to work together. All right. Let me know if this information was informative to you. Definitely give me some feedback. That helps me a lot. All right. That's what I'm here for. I'm trying to help smaller businesses earn more, because with COVID and everything, a lot of smaller businesses kind of took a big hit. So I'm trying to help out as many people as I possibly can. All right. So definitely let me know. All right. Enjoy the rest of your guys' week. Again, my name is Nathan Bruce. I'll leave my contact information in the email. All right. Again, this is your business. Treat it as a kid. As a business owner myself, I treat my business as a child. So I'm going to do whatever it takes to keep that child breathing. So think about it. Let me know. All right. I appreciate you hopping on here for 9 minutes with me. Listen to me talk. This is good information for any business owner to use. So definitely let me know what you're thinking, and I appreciate it. Have a good one.